Look, here comes a big red fire truck. Wow, it's so shiny and red. Nay nah, nay nah. The fire truck is driving down the road. Oh look, there's a giant puddle ahead. A big blue puddle. Ready? Splash. Woo-woo. Water goes everywhere. The fire truck is all wet and blue now. Ha ha ha. Keep going, fire truck. Oh no, here comes another puddle. This one is yellow. Splash. Amazing. Yellow water splashes up so high. Look at the fire truck now. It has blue and yellow spots all over. So silly. Wait, what's that ahead? It's a huge mud puddle. A big brown muddy puddle. Should the fire truck go through it? Here it goes. Sploosh. Oh my goodness. Mud is flying everywhere. The fire truck is so muddy now. We can barely see the red color. Look, here comes a second fire truck. This one is orange. And a third fire truck, a purple one. They want to splash too. The orange fire truck hits a green puddle. Splash. Green and orange everywhere. The purple fire truck finds a pink puddle. Sploosh. Wow, look at all three fire trucks now. They are covered in mud and colors. Red, blue, yellow, brown, green, pink. So many colors all mixed together. The fire trucks look so messy and silly. They're dripping with colorful mud and water. Oh dear, they need to get clean. But where can they go? Look, up ahead there's a sparkling rainbow car wash. It's glowing with beautiful colors. Let's go, fire trucks. Time to get clean. Here we go. The first red fire truck drives into the rainbow car wash. Look at the big spinning brushes. They're pink and blue and they go round and round. Scrub, scrub, scrub. The brushes are washing off all the mud. Can you see the red color coming back? Soapy bubbles everywhere. White, purple, and blue bubbles floating all around. Pop, pop, pop. Now here come the water jets. Whoosh! Rainbow water sprays the fire truck from top to bottom. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. All the rainbow colors washing over the truck. Look, the mud is all gone. The red fire truck is sparkling clean. It's even shinier than before. Little stars are twinkling all around it. Now the orange fire truck goes through. The spinning brushes scrub away all the green splashes. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Bubbles pop everywhere. Whoosh go the rainbow jets. And wow, the orange fire truck comes out sparkling and glowing. Beautiful. Last one, the purple fire truck drives in. The brushes spin, the bubbles fly, the rainbow water sprays. Whoosh! And out comes the purple fire truck, shining like a diamond. All three fire trucks line up together. Red, orange, and purple. They're so clean and sparkly. Little rainbow stars twinkle all around them. The fire trucks honk their horns. Beep beep. They're so happy to be clean. They flash their lights to say thank you. Wasn't that fun? We splashed through puddles and got sparkling clean. Great job watching, friends. See you next time on Fun Kids World. Bye bye.